I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to try to get through this quick. So grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a calendar and write these dates down, because the calendar is full of great opportunities in the doll community. I do want to start by saying one was canceled by Darren and I, and that is the the Easter egg 3D Smart Doll Challenge. It is not canceled, it's put on hold. I had a couple injuries, one was pretty severe, and I just kept pushing it back and pushing it back and pushing it back, and so we're just going to find another date and do that. If you are signed up to do that, contact me. Email Marna at, just look below, lovingmysmartdoll.com is a good place to contact me. But let's move on what is available. I'm going to start with April 1st today with Irene Huff's Doll Space. And every month, God love her, she does a birthday announcement, and she does just a hodgepodge of dolls. And she asks if you want to join in and just show any kind of doll and call it hodgepodge and join her for that challenge. You are welcome. On the 3rd of each month, well, let me give you 3 that Dory's Dollies and I host each month. Amaya Rain Day is the 3rd of every month, and it is any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll, and each month we give a topic or a theme, and everybody uploads their videos at 10 o'clock Central AM. We also, Dory and I, do Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each month, and Hi Barbie, and let me back up and say, Dolls Gone Goth, any doll, any way you want to interpret it. We are not the goth police. We just want you to join in and have fun. Hi Barbie is any kind of Barbie, and Lord, there are a lot. Midge could even join in. And we give the themes for all 3 of those challenges on the 7th of each month. On the 21st, the Boy Doll Challenge by Irene Huff, and Irene Huff's Doll Space and Ambrosia's Dollhouse do the Boy Doll Challenge, which is on the 25th. On the 21st, they give their theme. Inspired by Pink Renee, that's her channel name, is doing a real cute challenge on April 22nd. It's called Double Take, and that is take. A lot of us have dolls like in double or triple or sometimes even more, but exact dolls, and dress them and like twins, and that'll just be fun. You can go to Renee's channel, Inspired by Pink, and learn more. Let's see, what am I forgetting in? Oh, I wrote these all down. Just let me grab and look at this, my page tour. Coming up, doll shows or doll events. We have the virtual Blythe Retreat, which is Tammy Polly, Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly, and Be Creative, or she might use her other channel, Be Creative with Terry Jeanette. And that is June 20th, 21st, 22nd. That is a Facebook event. They just announced today that they have a guest, what do they call her? Not crafter, not guest speaker, guest artist. Puddle, the Puddle Doll Show is coming up June 7th and 8th. BlytheCon is August 3rd. Darren and I are going to host 2 more events on our private, what do you call it, Darren? Private server?
Sure.
Which is Fall Fashion, which is for the 17-inch, 15 to 17, 18-inch fashion dolls. And that will be on November 14th and 15th. And then Winterfest for the 1/3 dolls. We had a lot of fun last year. January 23rd, 24th, and 25th. May 4th, Darren and I always host a Star Wars challenge where anything Star Wars at all, Legos, dolls, action figures, aircrafts, anything at all from your Star Wars collection, we would love to see that. We upload those at 10 a.m. Central. Were you going to say something, dear?
And for Ayla, we also allow Star Trek. Well, as a nod to Ayla.
Yeah, as a nod to Ayla Avar, yes. June 27th, we are also hosting Beach Baby. And we did a Beach Baby challenge or collab last year where people took a Blythe doll and made it into a Beach Baby. And this year we're going to take Beach Baby dolls, any doll you want to use, your favorite Beach Baby doll in a swimsuit. October 17th, Tiny Witches, Tall Witches on the 24th. And on July 19th, I kind of got them out of order. I haven't really sat down and updated all my calendars and collab book, and I need to get on that. July 19th, Never Too Old for Dolls is hosting a pool party for dolls. And then we have, let me double check this, make sure I've got them all. I think so. Then we have some weekly challenges, which are really cool. A lot of these are done within the Reborn community, and they always invite everyone else. You can use a Barbie or anything you want. I don't have them all written down. If you have one of these and you're one of my active subscribers, please let me know in the comments, because I give these announcements each month and I want people to be able to go and join in your challenges too. Sunday, Dolly Sugary Sweet Sunday. That is with Erica, Little
Ohana?
Yeah, Little Ohana, that's it. Monday is always Cheeky Monkey Monday with Cherished Reborns. Sweet Cheeks with Erica, also Little Ohana. So, I have her down twice, but I think it is Sunday and Monday. Tuesday is Tiny Tots Tuesdays, Miniature for Dolls or Tiny Dolls. Tell me who hosts that. Is that by Tiny Tots? Wednesday is Wild Wednesday with Playful Reborns. Show and Tell Wednesday with Eclectic Wondering Tracy. I think she changed her channel name to just Tracy, but I'm not sure on that. Friday is Flashback Friday with Dory's Dollies. And Saturday, I want to give a big shout out to Patricia's Dolly Dreams. Patricia every Saturday does Saturday play day, they change into a play outfit or change their outfit. Patricia doesn't always join in on the challenges, but she is one. You will see her post throughout the Dolly community. She watches everybody's videos, she leaves comments, she leaves likes. Please subscribe to Patricia's channel. Let's get her growing really big too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know what else. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Wait, one more thing. I wanted to show you the jeans I made for my toner doll. Are they perfect? No, this is my first go and I still need to add a snap. This is the only thing that I have sewn for dolls. Actually, the only thing I've really sewn except for that elastic for my ankle for riding bikes. We have a new puppy, and if you've noticed I haven't been to your channel to watch your video, forgive me. We are out walking a puppy, housebreaking, and to us, that is not just teaching them not to go potty in the house. It's leaving my stuff alone, not chewing on my stuff, but playing with your own toys, and not barking all night long. She's going to be a farm dog, but she needs to learn the household stuff. We're also moving goats, feeding rabbits, and now we have a rooster, a guinea pig, and some hermit crabs.